Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm planning in my happy planner for the month spread of April, and I thought it'd be fun to use these sticker planning guides that Happy Planner has had in the past. And what they are is they're just a clear sheet that helps you for the different layouts to plan a spread and just kind of have it laid out. So what that looks like for me is this. So what I'm going to do now is take the stickers and lay them out where I think I want them. This may change a little bit just because some of it looked a little bulky to me. But anyways, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I have a bunch of birthdays this month. So I was going to mark them with these cute little cupcakes. And all of the stickers that I am working out of, or books I'm working out of, is the Happy Planner Memory Keeper and the Spring. Those are the two, and so I can link those in the comments for you, and I can also link this layout for you. So, okay, anyways, so another birthday is on the 25th, and then I have another birthday on the 23rd. I just think it's fun to mark them with the cupcakes, and I remember. And so what I thought would be fun to do, because I have this whole like bulk of, so I thought I'd try to fill in that area a little bit more with stickers, so that I still had space in the rest of the calendar. So what I did was I just layered two stickers on top of each other, the cute little flower pot, and then the Hello Spring. I know spring started technically this past month, but I don't know, April's very springy. So I kind of was trying to go off the like whole teal thing, I don't know. And I know our farmers markets start, so super excited to start going to those. And then I saw these cute little heart strips, and I thought it'd be fun to maybe add in a little bit here. Oops, I don't want to cover the password. Right before Good Friday, and I don't know, just add a little bit of decoration to it. Get that straight maybe. So I'll do that. And then I wanted to add this one down here just because I could, I guess. And then I found these super cute clear pink flowers, and I thought it would just be fun to try to add a little pops of color on the page that complemented the blue more than anything. So that's what I was going for with the pinks, just to add in a little bit more color. And then I saw this, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's shorter than what I was hoping, but putting the spring plans in here, and I know it kind of, I don't know, I thought it was cute, and it has a nice pop of color again, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, and then I found some more pink flowers. These ones were a little bit more corally, I guess, than pink, but yeah, just trying to keep with the whole spring flowers, springtime colors. And then I thought this one was so cute. It says "So long winter, hello spring," and I feel that. So long winter. Spring is probably my favorite month of all of them. Season. Maybe. Sometimes these stickers stick really good though. And other things are not supposed to. Add in a few more pops of pink. And I went ahead and did the different shades just because I try not to be too over the top. And then I thought this Hippity Hop Happy Easter was super cute. And then I found this cute little gray bunny in the spring book to go with it. And I don't know, Easter bunnies, but I thought it was okay to be cute. And then, where's this guy gonna go? I think we'll honestly put it over here. Here maybe. Just to add a little bit of different color up here. And then I had one more pink flower that I really wanted to use on the spread. And I thought to try to keep them kind of, I don't know, not mirroring, but just kind of, you know, adding a little bit of color on each side. So anyways, this is my April monthly spread. So I tend to use the monthly spreads for date tracking. That's every year, so think of like birthdays, anniversaries, certain holidays, certain events that have happened or are going to happen. So that's what I like to use them for. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love it if you'd hang around and come back. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Have a great day, you guys, and we'll see you soon.